Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat. This is what's called a semi-permanent solution because the manufacturer claims it will last at least 2 years or 200 washes. This is an actual ceramic coating that cures on top of the plastic to protect it and maintain that restored look. It's not a greasy dressing that will be gone after a week, which is what most of the other products in this space are. Of course, that also means it won't just wash off, so you only get one shot here. If for some reason you had to remove this coating, it would likely require a heavy-duty solvent like acetone and or physical sanding. This is one of the best, if not the best, products out there for this purpose. For about $15, you get 10 applicator wipes, and depending on how much plastic trim you have, you can probably do 2 vehicles with 1 box of 10 wipes. Note that this product is incompatible with any kind of water or moisture. You need a completely dry surface and ideally a day with low humidity to get good results. You also don't want to let it get exposed to any kind of moisture within about an hour of application. Ideally, you should be applying it or any product like this in a shaded and well-ventilated area. If you get any on the paint or headlights or rubber, just wipe it off immediately with a clean towel. This stuff will want to start to cure and harden on anything it touches within minutes. The interesting thing with this product is what you see immediately when wiping it on is basically the end result, aside from it obviously drying. It will retain that deep restored look. This Honda CR-V is 23 years old and it's bringing the trim back to looking brand new. Here's the next day result. It actually rained the night before, so that's the water you see there, but it's pretty amazing how restoring this trim completely improved the appearance of the whole car. If you like this video, click on this video here to learn how to clean your engine bay quickly, safely, and easily. Thanks for watching.